Hey guys, welcome to Rob's Random Stuff. Today I'm going to try out the generic version of the Vortex on the MASTERTOUCH. It's right from Amazon. Lutani. Gotta say it's got some nice heft. Not sure if you can see compared to the charcoal. It's probably twice as thick as the charcoal chimney there, so it's definitely got some heft. There's no flex whatsoever. Got some decent welds in there, so it seems pretty well made. So I'm going to try the non-traditional method. I'm just going to use my trusty Weber charcoal basket to start up these coals instead of starting inside here. I don't have a long lighter on me, so it's going to be a little hard to light down where everything needs to go. So we're going to go ahead and review the Lutani. We'll do some wings and a couple chicken breasts. Really more concerned about the wings and see how they come out. See what everybody's talking about, the crispiness, and how hot this thing can get with this. So again, this is pretty good quality. It's like 19 bucks on Amazon. So if it works good, you definitely save yourself some money. So fire up this thing and we'll get back in a second. Alright guys, I changed my mind. I arranged these like most of the videos, so we'll keep it consistent. Got a couple pieces of the bag in there and a couple of your basic cheap fire starters in there. So let's go ahead and light this one, light this one. Try to get this paper a little bit. I don't know how good the paper's going to burn, we'll see. But as you can see, just like most of the videos, once that gets going, I'll move over the charcoal a little bit on top to get these things going. So let's see how long this takes to get the coals going. Most people say it's 20-30 minutes to get them really hot, so check back in a little bit. Alright guys, we're back. As you can see, it's burning hot. Had the lid closed just to burn off any kind of germs that were on the grates. You can see in the middle there, it just basically vaporized anything that was there. So that's really hot. It's burning my hands almost. So all right, we're gonna throw the wings on and we'll get this going. I did throw a couple extra charcoals on top just for some extra fuel to get some extra heat in there. That's why there's a couple blacker ones on top, but don't get me wrong, this thing is really it's burning hot. See if we can get a zoom in there. It's hot. So all right, we'll throw the wings on, we'll get a quick shot, tell you about the spices, and we'll do a timed cook, see how they look. All right guys, we're just doing 12 wings today. So got them all set up. It's just garlic, salt, pepper, ginger, a little chili powder, some Frank's powdered red hot seasoning, and some hot Hungarian paprika. So we're gonna close the lid on this, get some heat going. Again, the bottom vent and top vent wide open. Nice big fat piece of pecan on top for some smoke flavor. So we're gonna fire this up, let it go, close the lid, and we'll give it a 15-minute check and see how we're looking. All right guys, we're at the 15-minute check-in. Temperature, we're hovering about 500. So it's pretty good heat in there. It's they're sizzling away. You can hear that. Looking good. Definitely a lot of heat coming out of there. So all right, we'll let these things keep going. I'm sure they got at least another 15 minutes or so. So we'll cover it back up, cook it, see what happens. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave some comments on what kind of more videos you want to see cook-wise, either on the Camp Chef or charcoal. And all right, we'll check back in another 15. All right guys, 30 minutes in, still cooking just a bit under 500. Let's crack the lid, see how we're looking here. Oh, they're looking pretty good now. They're getting there. Definitely cooking away. Ooh, skin. These are getting pretty crispy, gotta say. So, all right, we're gonna give these another 10 minutes and do a quick temperature check, but looking pretty good. Probably pretty close to being done, but let's let them cook a little more and see if we can get a bit more color and a little more crisp on those. All right, guys, these should be pretty close to done, if not done. Still ticks over 450. Let's crack the lid. Oh yeah, those are looking real good. Sizzling away. Let's try to pick the biggest wing, probably one of these two. Do a little temp check. Looking good. I like my wings 190, 200 in there. Yeah, a little done, but let's check the skin. Oh yeah, those are nice. These are gonna be banging wings. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna pop these off, and we'll plate them up, and we'll do a little taste test. See how the Vortex actually did. See if it lives up to the hype. All right, guys, we're gonna try out these wings. Let's just have a little look here. It's the bottom, skin side. Hope you can see that. Nice, crisp. Hopefully you heard that. Let's rip a piece out here. Still nice and juicy. So we got a tiny smoke ring there, but these are still looking good. Let's give it a little try. Really good, wow. Really good smoke flavor. Oh, that fall off the bone. Very juicy. I don't know. That could be a game changer. Wow, that's one of the best wings I ever had on that grill. All right, so all in all, I just like a little blue cheese too, by the way. I'm gonna toss these in some Hank sauce. This is their camouflage sauce, New Jersey company, very good stuff. I'll do that off camera. Here's my plating. So yeah, they all look good. Really good stuff. Definitely changed my mind. That was the best 20 bucks I ever spent. I don't think you need the more expensive one, the name brand one. Get the Lutani from Amazon, 20 bucks. Like, subscribe, get yourself a Vortex. Awesome stuff. See you in the next cook.